Hello, I'm Henry de Paula. Nice to meet you. I've been working in digital product design since 2010, combining hands-on UX and UI work with strategic leadership. Throughout my career, I've designed and scaled digital banking apps, self-service platforms, enterprise design systems, and high-performance digital products. Beyond product delivery, I've also managed design teams of up to 50 professionals, achieving a team NPS score of 75, and reducing operational costs through clearly process and better alignment. As a design lead, I define a strategy and work hands-on with the team on navigation flows, wireframes, component systems, usability testing, and implementation with engineering. For example, I led the creation of a self-service app that performed better than the traditional call center support in usability tests, and became a benchmark inside the company. In digital banking, I helped build scalable concepts integrating loans, cards, investments, and AI-driven features, create strong foundations for growth. I also led large-scale design system projects for telecom and fintech platforms, improve governance, accessibility, and team efficiency. Beyond corporate roles, I've built and optimized my own digital products, reducing marketing costs by 79% and increasing ROAS by 369% by testing and improving the experience. What defines my work is this balance between clear strategy, strong execution, human leadership, and measurable results. If you'd like to know more about my work, you can visit henrydepaula.com. You can see detailed case studies there. And if you believe design should connect systems, people, and business results, I'd be glad to connect with you.